Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix verification required on App Store. So simply just tap on your App Store. So we will just move in the top right corner is the profile icon of your App Store. Just get in and we'll see the second option is subscriptions. I will just get in. After it will be just loading, you will see your all subscriptions are here and you will be just unsubscribe of some apps from here after when it's loading. So there is only one subscription, so I will be just tab on it as well, and from here will be just cancel the subscription. Just tab on it and just make sure we just have to confirm it, and after confirmation you will be just go in the settings of iPhone. Just tab on it the iCloud account and just tab on it payment shipping as well. So if you just don't add your Visa card or a credit card on your payment and shipping method, so simply just add a new payment method, or you will just have a currently. So you will be just fix the verification required on App Store as well. So in this way you will just have to fix it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.